Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lavanya chemistry classes. In this session, we are going to understand some conversions of chemical reactions. Before we start this video, please subscribe my channel. Now, moving to the topic, the question is like this: write equations showing the conversion of acetic acid to acetyl chloride, and second one is benzoic acid to benzamide. This is question. The question is like this. Once again I repeat this question. Write equations showing the conversions acetic acid to acetyl chloride. How do you convert acetic acid to acetyl chloride, and how do you convert benzoic acid to benzamide? The first one is acetic acid to acetyl chloride. The acetic acid is converted to acetyl chloride. Mainly three steps of reactions are there. That is, the first one is the acetic acid undergo reaction with phosphorus trichloride to form acetyl chloride and phosphoric acid. Acetyl chloride and phosphoric acid. The CH3COOH and reacting with PCl3 to form 3CH3COCl. CH3COCl called the name as acetyl chloride, and along with the product H3PO3. H3PO3 is also called it as phosphoric acid. The acetic acid is reacting with PCl3 to form acetyl chloride. Or another reaction, acetic acid to acetyl chloride. The acetic acid is reacting with phosphorus pentachloride to form acetyl chloride along with the products POCl3 and HCl. Okay students, the acetic acid is reacting with PCl3 to form CH3COCl and POCl3 and HCl. These are one of the conversion of acetic acid to acetyl chloride. And also another reaction for acetic acid to acetyl chloride is the acetic acid is reacting with SOCl2 to form acetyl chloride along with the products SO2 and HCl. Okay students, these are equations for the conversions of acetic acid to acetyl chloride. Okay students, and second one is benzoic acid to benzamide. How do you convert benzoic acid to benzamide? What is benzoic acid? The phenyl ring containing COOH group, we call the name as benzoic acid. This is benzoic acid and it is reacting with ammonia. Ammonia is NH3. It is reacting with ammonia to form NH3. It is reacting with ammonia to form ammonium benzoate is formed. Benzoic acid is reacting with ammonia to form ammonium benzoate, and also it is heating to form some molecule is lower molecules are decomposes. Ammonium benzoate is reacting heating to reduce water molecule, and the remaining compound is benzamide. Phenyl group containing CO and H2. Okay students, understood? CO and H2. Phenyl group containing CO and H2, that is called the name as benzamide. It is a conversion of benzoic acid to benzamide. Okay, benzoic acid reacting with ammonia to form ammonium benzoate, and it is heating to produce benzamide. These are the conversions of acetic acid to acetyl chloride and benzoic acid to benzamide. These are important reactions. I hope you like this video. Please like it and share it.